Good?
I'm impressed. It was really nice.
Okay, I don't
So
see it.
I just need 2 loads. After this full, another full, and that's it.
Okay.
So I might be running over until I do the texture.
Okay.
So it's gonna be maybe 5 minutes. This is a little bit,
okay.
yeah, not too much.
Oh,
But yeah, it was,
getting ready.
yeah,
Good. I was told it was a really good one. My father-in-law gave it to us. He doesn't use it anymore, so
it was really nice.
Good,
Yeah,
yeah.
it's good. Yeah, all right.
we go